Ness and I are on the way back from a walkabout. We did a walkabout from the resort that we're staying at, the glamping resort, all the way to the north side of Nacpan Beach. I'm going to estimate from the middle, which is where the resort is at. I'm going to say it's about maybe 2 to 3 kilometers to all the way to the north, maybe about 2 kilometers, something like that. Or maybe just a little less, I know, to the south, to the furthest part that you can go on the south. And I said, Ness, this is probably a great opportunity. This is a great opportunity to do kind of our evaluation of the beach here, as well as the glamping program that they have on Nacpan Beach. Well, anyway, we're going to summarize up a lot of our experience here. First of all, the beach area. Let's talk about the beach area because we're halfway back walking on our walkabout.
Well, it's clean, pristine.
It's clean, pristine, and it's private.
Yeah.
I don't know if it has to do with this time of year, because remember, March isn't really the prime tourist season here in the Philippines. The summer is more of the tourist season. Starting April, May, June, July is probably, but it's also really hot during that time. But it's hot here. Even in March, you can see I'm getting sunburn.
But it is the least rainfall.
This is the least amount. I think there's like an average of like 2 days of rainfall in March, as opposed to
best month to go.
As opposed to like maybe June or July when they have about 21 days of the month where they have the rainfall during rainy season. So I think this is a great time to come. The beach, you got to look at the property back here. It is so underdeveloped, and I hope it stays that way.
It's ours.
Yeah, it's like the beach is ours. Let's talk a little bit about the glamping. Now, we stayed 2 nights now already inside our glamping tent, and it's comfortable.
Yeah, it's comfortable. I'm glad it's not a real tent.
Well, it is a real tent.
It's a real
but
tent.
It's like a really fancy. It's like a really fancy tent.
It's glamorous.
and it's worked really good for us because during the daytime they turn the air conditioning off inside the tent. From 10 o'clock to 4 o'clock it's off, but 10 o'clock to 4 o'clock is when you're out and about. And even if the air conditioning was on inside, it wouldn't be able to maintain a cool temperature inside because it's too hot. Even in March here, it's too hot. So it works out perfect for us. It's not a negative. So we're not going to count a strike against that. Also, we used the pool today. There's a really nice pool in the back of the center of the glamping camping tents inside there. Yeah. Very nice, very clean. It has a little bar inside there with seats. You can sit in the water. You can go up to the bar if you want to get a drink or something. The restaurant has been great. They have it's free breakfast. I'm going to say free, but it's included in your package. So you get for the price of admission, you get breakfast and dinner, and then you have to find lunch yourself somewhere. And there's plenty of places around here, so no problem with that.
And I got my massage again, head and back.
That's true. If you want to avail some of the amenities at the facility there, you can do that. And some of the amenities, like the swimming pool, are also massages, which Ness took advantage of that this morning while I relaxed at the pool. But we didn't really talk about the restaurant. The restaurant is co-located right next to the glamping facility, and it has a great menu with a lot of good stuff. They even have their own brick oven, which is what I got last night. I got a Hawaiian pizza, and Ness, you got the ribs, right?
Yep.
And
very soft.
Yeah, the ribs were world class. So overall, so far, the dining, the ability to be right here in front of this all day long, if you decide to hang around the beach or take one of the optional tours that you can do, the swimming pool, the nice accommodations, bathrooms. They have a bathroom. They're shared bathrooms, but they're always very clean. And we've had no problems since we've been here. I was kind of concerned, thinking maybe you'd be in a waiting line for the bathroom, for the shower. It hasn't been a problem since we've been here. So far, it's been a really good experience.
Ganda mo sa pangingin, Sa ilalim ng puting ilaw, sa dilaw na buwan, pakinggan mo ang aking sigaw. Bye guys. Sa dilaw na buwan, ayokong mabukas umantong. Ikaw ang nagpapasayo. Biyaya, biyaya. Thank you so much. Thank you, baby. Kasama ang another one. I hope there's more. Halina tayo'y umikay. Come on, baby. Put it here. Sa ilalim ng puting ilaw, sa dilaw na buwan, pakinggan mo ang aking sigaw. Sa dilaw na buwan, oh.
This is the little island right here. We're gonna have
Lunch island.
we're gonna have our lunch. This is Lunch Island.
Ang iyong ganda'y umaabot sa buwan. Ang tibok ng puso'y hilig sa kalawaan. At umabalik dito sa akin. Ikaw ang mahal, ikaw lang ang mamahalin. Pakinggan ang puso't damdamin, damdamin aking damdamin. Sa ilalim ng puting ilaw, sa dilaw na buwan, sa dilaw na buwan, pakinggan mo ang aking sigaw. Sa dilaw na buwan, sa ilalim ng puting ilaw, sa dilaw na buwan, sa buwan, pakinggan mo ang aking sigaw. Sa dilaw na buwan, la 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 la, la la la, la la la, la la la, la 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 la.
Nice.
Thank you so much for the beautiful request.
If you enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you are interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.